So today we are taking a look at my Cash App investing account, and we have a total of $3.08 in this account. Nothing too crazy here. We are up about a dollar, or actually, sorry, 1.65% today, and up a nickel. Let's go to our 1 year marker. We're actually up 13.65%. So what we're doing here in this account, we're just going to be investing a dollar at a time. Nothing too crazy. It's not going to be every single day thing. It's just going to be slowly investing a little bit here and there just to kind of showcase what it is to be investing. I have videos on investing on Acorns, investing on M1 Finance, on Robinhood, on these different accounts, and just kind of showing people that even a little bit can go a long way. You could actually see here our total gains is up 53.23%. Not bad for only having invested $2. So what we're going to do is actually look at our stocks that we own. We have our SoFi right over here, and we have our Schwab US dividend equity. So this is an ETF right over here. This is where we're going to add an extra dollar here for us. We actually, I think, also earned a little bit of a dividend. You can see right over here, we actually got a penny and it had it reinvested in there. So let's go ahead and buy another dollar's worth of this ETF. So we're going to do a $1 amount, click on next. Of course, we're going to do our Face ID here as well. So it's going to, of course, show us the approximate sale price, and we're going to share price, not sale price, and also our approximate shares, which is 0.031. So this is going to add on top of the shares we do already own. Now, before I continue on this, if you do not already have a Cash App account and want to sign up, I'll have my partner link in the show notes down below. Helps me out, but it also gets you a nice sign up bonus and lets me continue to make more content just like this. And what I'll also do too is make sure that if you are completely brand new to investing and kind of want to just see it a little bit more in detail on how to set up your account, next to that referral link, I'll also have a video on how to utilize your Cash App investing account. And that's on my main tutorial channel. So I'll support you on that so that way you're not just kind of going off the cuff on how to do these things or just watching these particular videos. So just something to keep in mind. Now I am doing this off market hours. So this will just go in the morning at 6:30 a.m. my time. So we're going to click on schedule here at the very bottom for us. And just like that, we placed an order for $1. Now, I want you to also be investing as well while we watch these videos. So make sure, even if it's $1, just like me, whether it's on Cash App, Robinhood, or any other platform, let me know in the comments down below that you at least invested $1 after watching this video. If you did more than that, let me know as well in the comments. I want to support you as well and cheer you on. So with that being said, what I'm going to do is post my next video right over here on screen for you so you can keep on watching, investing, and hopefully get more excited to continue to put more into the stock market.